Well, when you think about the library, you probably think of books, but there is more to the library than that. This afternoon, we have Allison Fiscus with the Toledo Lucas County Public Library, along with Kim Steele, a Toledo health nurse, with us so that we can learn a little bit more about the library's health services. Thanks for being here today, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think I'm going to go to the library. I'm going to check out some books. Not necessarily get my blood pressure taken, but you can do that at the library, yeah?
Yes, you absolutely can.
Yeah.
Way back in 2020, we started getting requests for more and more unconventional things, and so we looked at the services that we provide and we said, what can we do and how can we help? And really we said all of our buildings located all across the county are a great place to host partner services who can provide those types of programs.
Mm-hmm. So this is where you come in.
Yes.
People might be just, hey, we're perusing the shelves and then stumble upon a table and they can get what kind of tests can they get done?
So the mobile health unit with Toledo Health, we offer free screenings. Our screenings include point of care testing, which we poke your finger for. Mm-hmm. You can get your blood pressure or blood sugar checked, your cholesterol, hemoglobin A1C, and you can also get your blood pressure checked.
So just a baseline idea of maybe where you are.
Correct.
I imagine some folks come in and you maybe give them a referral.
Correct.
You say, hey,
yes.
Something, you might just want to get another check.
Right. So sometimes they have a family doctor and we'll say, it's time for you to make a follow-up appointment. But if they don't have a family doctor, we have open providers that we can set them up with an appointment before they leave.
And you travel around to all the branches.
That's correct.
So tomorrow, where are you going to be?
We'll be at Holland.
Holland, okay. So you have the schedule on the library's website and the Toledo Health's website as well, right? So people can kind of see when you're going to be in their neighborhood, yeah? And that's the whole idea here, is to reach people where they are.
Yes, absolutely. We know that a big part of receiving some of these services is transportation, it's access. And there's a little bit of fear, especially when it comes to getting that sort of health service that you might not be able to otherwise access. And so we know that the library is a trusted place, that it's a place where people feel comfortable at, and we really want to extend that feeling to the other service providers in our area so that Toledo and Lucas County can be as healthy as possible.
Yeah, some people might feel a little bit more comfortable putting their arm out if they're at the library versus the hospital or the white coat thing, that whole idea. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So there's other services as well. I think that you can get mammograms at times and things like that too.
We have partnerships with a number of healthcare entities within the area. The Mercy Mobile Mammography Unit is visiting a library a month throughout all of 2025, and then YWCA's Healthy Mammogram Connections program is people who you can visit at main libraries so that you can get connected to that free mammogram service. Also, we have the Breast and Cervical Cancer Project that just hosted through Mercy at the libraries as well, so they can also get you connected to free care.
Yeah, so lots happening. You may not think to check the library's website, but that might be where you where you want to go. What is it like to interact with patients in this way? It's probably different for you in your career.
Yeah, it's a lot different, but it's really nice because it's informal. It is, private care. People can feel secure that their information is confidential. Mm-hmm. And it is informal, like, it's 5 minutes and then they'll have the results before they leave.
Uh-huh.
And
easy
that's perfect.
Yeah, easy as that. Yeah. So, also, we were chatting earlier, you said really it's services for all ages too. That people can get connected for vaccines for kids and things like that too, yeah?
So we have partnerships in place that will provide you with health services from pregnancy to birth to advanced age. We have a partnership with Solace to do pregnancy and childbirth classes, and then there's also Shots for Tots and Teens and the Ronald McDonald Care Mobile, which much like the Toledo Health Mobile Health Unit serves children. So if you're 17 years, 364 days or younger, you can go and get full service health care through that mobile unit as well.
So if you had no idea, now you do. You might say, yeah, that's for me. Transportation, as you mentioned earlier, too, could be a big issue for people.
Correct.
Keeping them from just knowing their numbers and,
right.
and seeing where they are health-wise. It's a really good first step. Yeah. Ladies, thanks for being here. Check out the websites to see what's going on where. because you'll be hopping around to
That's
all the
right.
branches throughout the course of the month. Yeah.
That's correct.
Thanks for being here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.